How to cancel pending bill payment on Scotia Bank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Head over to any of the web browser for now. Once you're in the home page, search for Scotia Bank. Now head over to the very first site, scotiabank.com. Wait for a while for it to load, and it will land you on this official site. Once you're in this page, you need to click on Sign In at the top of the screen. Now enter your login credential and then tap on Sign In. Once you have been logged into your account, it will land you on this page. Now you need to head over to Move Money. Now move into Pay Bills at the very top of the screen. And then move into Manage Bills. You have to choose the bill that you want to cancel. And then at the bottom, click on Cancel Upcoming Payments. All you want to do is click on Yes. And then your bills will be cancelled. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.